Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace a shifter knob, which is this one here, the selector. As you can see, it's broken, the top is completely broken, so I'm going to install a new one. So first I'm going to remove these 320 bolts. There is one right here and there is another one on this side. Once the bolts are completely removed, I can push this one down like this. Now I need to disconnect the hoses. There is two hoses, one right here and one on the other side, with that black one right here. This is a 10-speed transmission, that's why it has two hoses only. For 13, 15 and 18 speed transmissions, they're gonna have more hoses. So be sure to know the location of the hose before removing it. In this case, we have the white one on this side and the black one on the other one. There is no way we can miss that. But in the other cases, as I said before, you can have many different colors or one color hose for all of them. Once the hoses are out, there is air still leaking from here. I'm just gonna let all the air out. But in the meantime, I'm going to remove this nut. This is a 3/4 nut to release the knob completely. Once the nut is completely removed, I can just turn this one around to get it out to the left. I have the new shifter here, the new knob shifter. This is the part number, but remember this is for a 10-speed transmission. For 13, 15 and 18 transmission, it's gonna be a different part number. Okay, here is the knob. I have to remove these things out to install it, and I need to install the new fittings on it. I install the new fittings. With the fittings on place, it's time to install it. First, I'm going to install this plastic cover by just getting it inside like this. And now I can place the knob and I can screw it in here. Now I'm going to tie the knot with the wrench. Make sure to tie this to the proper torque, otherwise the knob can be loose. Okay, the knob is completely tied. Make sure to install it in a straight position or whatever position do you want it to be. And now I'm going to install the hoses back on place. Remember to install them in the same position as you remove them. With the hoses on place, I want to inspect for leaks. If there is no leaks, I'm going to place the cover back and I'm going to install the two new bolts that comes with the knob. Okay, the shifter knob, the selector knob is fully installed. There is no leaks and everything is back on place. So pretty much this is all I'm going to show you about the selector replacement. If you have any questions about this video, just comment below and I will answer as soon as I can. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.